Welcome to my Canva Bulk Creation tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create some great designs in bulk. If you'd like to follow along, you can click the link in the description to try Canva free or simply use it for easier login access. Keep in mind I will be using some pro features here. That also comes with a free trial, so you can at least follow along with me if needed. Let's begin. So for this example, I'm just going to type in Instagram, post, and then quotes Twitter. Keep in mind this doesn't have to be for Instagram, it can be for Twitter, any design you want, but this is a fantastic feature that you can utilize if you want to pump out a lot of social media sayings or quotes or motivation or inspiration or anything related to that. For this example, I'm going to go with this one. I happen to like this. This one is a pro template, but there are plenty that aren't, as you can see. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the design, more so just showcasing how you can do the bulk creation. All right, so let's go ahead and pick this one. And a little tip here, anytime you pick a template on Canva, if you're looking for some that are similar, you can always look down below. There's going to be a lot of similar ones like this. This one's pretty good as well, right? So let's go with this one anyway and customize this template. All right, so first and foremost, what I'm going to do is just add a picture of me, my brand, and change around the background. This is all very basic stuff. I don't want to spend a lot of time on that. So if you need any help with any other type of Canva tutorials, leave a comment down below or let me know. I have hundreds of those for you if needed. So I'll be right back in 1 second. All right, and just like that, I have changed it around, edited a little. I did remove the hashtags. I feel like it's not a huge deal to have them. So let's actually showcase how this works now. What you want to do is go to apps right here, click on that. And once you are here, click on the search bar and type in bulk, create, and enter. Okay, so there's going to be two things right here. There's going to have read bulk QR and bulk create. We want this one right here with the blank logo, no logo, whatever it's going to be. So let's click on this right here. And this is going to be the section where we can add in our data. As a bonus to this, I'm going to show you a ChatGPT prompt that you can utilize to really speed up your work here. So you can upload a data if you have an Excel, SX, CSV, or TSV sheet, but I will show you how to enter it manually. Okay, so let's go over to ChatGPT. And so here's the prompt as a bonus. I'll probably pin it in a comment down below, but here's what it says if you want to create something in bulk. For this, it says, give me X blank related quotes. So for this one, it's going to be, say, marketing and business related. So let's do business and marketing related quotes. Now, if you really want to do bulk, change this number to something really big. For this example, I'm just going to go with 10, right? Okay, for this, it says they should be no longer than 8 words. And the reason for this is because we don't have a ton of space in this specific example. If you're using an entire design where you have plenty of room for text, feel free to change that around, but it's very customizable, okay? I said don't number them and don't add quotations and 1 quotation per line. This is going to make it much easier for us when we copy and paste it, okay? So let's click go or the arrow, whatever you want to call it. And there we are, perfect. What I'm going to do is just copy these. So I'm not going to look at them and make sure that they are perfect or I like them. It's just an example, right? So let's go back on over to Canva. So what we have here is enter data manually. Since we copied it, we can do that. We don't need the email section, so I'm going to right click right here and delete column. This is going to be the one we want to use, and probably not a big deal if you change this or not, but I'm just going to do quotes. And all you need to do here is click on the first section right here, and I'm going to do paste, which is Control V for me. You can also right click and do paste if you want. But now we have the quotes there, 1 per line, perfect, exactly how we want it. Let's click done. So now what we're going to need to do, it says right click an element in your page to connect it to your data below. This is going to be the section where our quotes are. That's why I said I don't want it to be any more than 8 words, because imagine if it's like 30, it's just going to spill down into there and look really bad, right? We can always make this bigger or use a different template, but that's just something to keep in mind when you're really customizing your bulk creations. Let's right click right here, and this is what we're looking for, connect data. And we're going to click on quotes right here. Perfect. And once we do that, you're going to notice it lights up. This is lit up and we're good to go. Let's click on the connect button right here. We want to do select all, obviously. All the ones that we have created are going to generate 10 designs for us. So let's do that right now as it opens up in a new tab or window. And as you can see, look at this. This is perfect. Success is built on consistency, not perfection. We have marketing as storytelling that connects with hearts. Innovation starts here. You're going to notice that everything is the same aside from the quotes that we have now changed, which is fantastic. And using this, you can really pump out a lot of social media content or just designs in general very quickly, especially when you combine it with ChatGPT and then copy it, paste it, and of course saving it, which I'm going to show you how to do right now. So what you're going to do is click on the share button. And also before I get to that, Make sure your design is, where you want it to be, obviously, because once you create, say, 10, 20, or 30, and you're like, oh, wait, I wanted to add my logo here, it's going to be annoying. You just have to go back, go right here, add it in, remove this and do it again. So just make sure you have the design and background and everything good to go before you save it. Let's click on share though. Let's do download. PNG is going to be perfectly fine. If you want to compress the file or do any of those funky things, you can, but ideally what you want to do here is save all the pages. They should be automatically checked off given the fact you've just bulk created them. And last but not least, all you need to do is click on download, and you, my friend, have just bulk created a ton of social media content and are capable of doing so much more if you want to just do more than 10 at a time. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up as it helps me out tremendously. And of course, if you haven't gotten to test out or try out Canva or even Canva Pro, you can use my link in the description for much easier access. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching this updated Canva Bulk Creation tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.